Hi everyone, welcome to Share classes. Today in this video, draw a triangle of circumradius 5 centimeter and two of the angles 50 degree and 60 degree in easy way. So please watch the video till the end. So let's start the video. First of all, let us measure here 5 centimeter length with the help of compass and scale. Perfect. Next, taking here any point as a center of a circle, then drawing a circle with the help of compass by this way. Perfect. Next, this is the radius of the circle, so taking here O as a center of the circle. Next, joining this, and this is the radius of this circle, so leveling here point B. Now drawing 100 degree angle on the radius OB with the help of protractor. So first counting 100 degree and marking here 100. So joining this to get 100 degree angle. Okay, so leveling here point C. Next, drawing 120 degree angle on the radius OC. So counting here 120 degree. So marking 120 degree here. Okay. Now joining this to get 120 degree angle. Next, leveling here point A. Now angle BOC 100, angle AOC 120 degree. Now angle AOB, this is adding 100 plus 120 and subtracting this from 360, then this is obviously 140 degree. Next, drawing arcs by this way, and it looks good, that's why I am drawing by this way. Okay, now joining A and B, then joining B and C. So joining this side B and C. Last, joining A and C to complete our required triangle. Now first taking the side BC. So on the side BC, here angle BOC at center and the angle BAC. So angle BAC will be half of 100, so 50 degree. Next, taking the side here AC. So on the side AC, angle AOC at the center and angle ABC, this will be half of 120, that's means 60 degree. So by similar way, here on the side AB, angle AOB and angle ACB will be half of 140, that's means 70. Okay, now by this way drawing arcs, and it looks good, that's why I am drawing arcs by this way. Okay, so therefore here triangle ABC, so ABC is the required triangle with two angles 50 degree and 60 degree. So by this way you can draw a triangle of circumradius 5 centimeter. So that's all. Thanks for watching. Please share it.